Hi, my name is Chris MacLellan, and today I'm going to discuss my blue sky idea regarding how we can make AI more interdisciplinary. My blue sky idea is to develop specialized educational resources for teaching AI to human-computer interaction students and practitioners. I argue that by educating this audience, we can empower them to create the human-centered AI systems of the future and make the field of AI more interdisciplinary. As a field, HCI is fundamentally interdisciplinary. However, as someone who works at the intersection of AI and HCI, I have observed that this community generally has a limited view of AI. In particular, their understanding often omits key topics and theoretical ideas, such as knowledge-based systems, analogical reasoning, and creativity, even though these topics would be particularly useful to this community. Further, they often view AI as a collection of isolated algorithms for specific purposes, such as classification or recommendation, but they lack an understanding of how AI components integrate together to produce intelligent behavior. Lastly, many people within the HCI community itself recognize that there is a need for more AI expertise. The main takeaway here is that HCI practitioners are eager to leverage AI advancements, but their foundational deficiencies currently limit the kinds of human-centered technologies that they can envision and create. To address these deficiencies, I've been developing a graduate-level course on human-AI interaction for Drexel University's HCI and UX Master's Program. This course aims to introduce students to AI concepts, as well as the unique design challenges they'll face when integrating AI into user-facing technologies. Throughout the course, students read and discuss papers that intentionally include a broad range of socio-cultural and AI perspectives. They also work on interdisciplinary teams to design a user-facing prototype over the course of the term. I believe the initial iterations of this course have been very successful. All of my students so far, many who are coming from non-technical backgrounds, have been able to create compelling AI prototypes that integrate concepts from the AI and HCI disciplines. For example, one group of students explored the development of a novel interactive voice assistant that leveraged both a rule-based dialogue system and speech-to-text functionality to support elderly people in tracking and managing chronic health conditions. Another group explored novel ways for users to provide temporally scoped preference information to recommender systems, such as being able to say, I love this song, but I don't really want to hear it for a little while. And they reimagined what a system like Spotify would look like with this new capability. Across these teaching experiences, I've found that HCI students bring a fresh interdisciplinary perspective to AI that always starts with considering the human context and needs. As a result, they would often find widely used AI design patterns insufficient, such as recognizing that users often want more than the ability to specify like or dislike information to a recommender system. These experiences highlight the potential benefits of bringing an HCI perspective to AI. I argue that by creating more courses and educational materials that bridge the HCI and AI disciplines, we can increase the impact of AI and enrich our discipline. Thank you.